Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Johnny production. Talking about PittsLife. We saying PittsLife. Showing love to PittsLife. Yes, PittsLife. I'm doing something here for the night. People talking about saying really feel nice. Over in the dream team, talking about nice. PittsLife over here, yes, she's nice. Doing everything when we saying PittsLife. People talking about, oh yes, she's nice. Over there with her family is nice. Everybody when we saying PittsLife. PittsLife. Talking about the light to the sky. Looking at the people when you stand there, why? People's over here, they're wondering why. PittsLife over there on the dream team. People talking about, did you know what I bring? Bring over here, yeah, showing love. PittsLife over here, shouting you up, saying, hey. Talking about PittsLife. People talking about, oh yeah, she's nice. Nice over here, just doing what she do. Doing some fun for all of you. Now I wanna shout out PittsLife today. People telling me that the day is crazy. Showing their love up in the dream light. People talking about some people wanna fight. Still not saying with the love to the people. Talking about the PittsLife, loving all the people. Giving their life to all these people. People talking about green lights on the people, yeah. Saying green light now. Over here today, yeah, giving light now. People's over here with the love right now. People's over here showing love right now, saying, hey, send the P-I-T, T with the S-L-F-I-P. Still over here when you know about me. People's over here trying to go and follow me. Trying to follow me, but you can't even see. PittsLife over here that you wanna see. See over there when she grinding, starting over there, oh yeah, she was starting. She over there put your name on the beat. Writing some songs that the people what you see. Seeing what you see and you see what you say. PittsLife are over here doing it today. Grinding, shining on this. People talking about, but I still don't own this. Now I'm on this when we still owning up. PittsLife about to go and shout it up, saying, hey. Talking about PittsLife. People talking about saying what's really nice. Nice over here when we're nice on those. People talking about, do you wanna go? Need to go over there to your throne. People talking about PittsLife with Jones. Over here with the green light for show. Talk about their green light for show. If you want to go on a cruise, people over there, she doing what she do. Over there, writing the nights on the dot. Wrong over here, but still it's getting hot. Don't let the people stop on you shine. Still over here, but still I know by me, but still I know you. People's over here, but still I keep true. Talking about PittsLife every single time. People talking PittsLife when I hear rhyme. Talking about the PittsLife every single day. People talking PittsLife, what you wanna say? People's over there showing love they way. People's over there sharing out today. I'm over here saying, hey. People's over there better pray, saying what? Talking about PittsLife. People talking about saying that's what's nice. What's really nice when you say she's nice. People's over there but pass me the rice. Now I'm over here wanna roll dice. People's over there say what about a night? Over on the cruise just with the family. People's over here is you and me. Say hey, saying what PittsLife. People talking about oh yeah she's nice. People's over here saying what's really nice. She's over there just giving you life. Talking about what we saying PittsLife. She's over here just giving you life. People's over here saying what's PittsLife. People's over here saying will PittsLife say go. Talking about the PittsLife. People talking about did you know she's nice? Travel around the world when she get nice. People with the family raining nice. When you gonna see what you gonna see? People's over here saying it's you and me. Other people saying it's you and I. Talking about when you gonna see the sky. Now the people wanna go and wonder why. People talking about when you wanna cry. Do you even know how she hold it up? Let me tell you what is going on. Do you know her birthday was November 7th and she getting up 7th of November talking about her. PittsLife over here just to shut you up. When I say yeah, it's straight PittsLife. People talking about oh yeah, she nice. Coming over here saying yes, PittsLife. P-I-T-T-S with the light. Talking about that PittsLife now. Everybody, let's get on down. Get on down like get on up. Talking about the PittsLife when we shout up saying hey. Talking about PittsLife. Make sure y'all go show some love to PittsLife. Get on the dream team, you know what I mean? You know where we do it.
It's another scrawny protection.
Strutting production. Thank you very much, brother.